Hello everyone, this is Unit 4, Lesson 3, How do plants grow? So how do plants grow? The way living things grow and change is called a life cycle. A cycle that's something that keeps repeating itself. Let's look at this example of a woman life cycle. This woman is pregnant with a baby inside of her. When the baby comes out, it starts to be a young baby and then starts to grow to a little girl. This little girl starts to grow into what? Into a big girl. This is the cycle. It keeps going in the cycle. Then after that, the big girl grows to an adult woman. Adult woman. This adult woman then becomes pregnant, and then when it becomes pregnant, she has another baby, and the baby will grow to a little girl, then to a big girl, then to an adult woman, and this cycle keeps going on for every woman. This is what is a life cycle, something that keeps repeating again and again. Let's watch it again repeat itself. A pregnant woman then gives the birth to the baby. The baby grows to a little girl and then grows to a big girl, then grows to an adult woman, and then the woman has the baby, becomes pregnant again. Next, let's look at the life cycle of a bean plant this time. And how can we make an example of it using the woman life cycle? First, number one, we need the seed. The bean plant starts its life cycle as a seed. A seed. The bean seed has a hard cover called seed coat. So this is the same phase as the woman being pregnant. The baby is still inside and is still a seed that's not grown yet. This bean seed, it needs a seed coat. What's a seed coat? Something to protect the seed from getting damaged because it's still young and small and can get damaged. Same as the baby inside the mother. The mother is the coat that covers the baby when it grows. Number two, when it gets water and air, the roots then starts to grow. The plant, when it gets root and gets water and air, the roots then starts to grow. Number three is when the baby comes out from the mother. It's the same as the plant. The stem grows up to make a seedling. A seedling is when the stem grows up and starts to make a what? A seedling. Seedling is the young plant. We call it a young plant, just as we call the baby young. So the stem grows up to make a seedling, and the seedling is a young plant. Number four, it grows up to an adult plant. It grows up into an adult plant when the flowers and the leaves starts to grow, and then again after the flower, we know that inside the flower it contains the seeds, and we repeat the same cycle again. This is with a bean life cycle. Let's solve these questions together. Number one, a bean seed has a hard covering called a seed coat. A seed coat to protect it from any damage. Number two, what is the way a living thing grow and change? A life cycle is the way a living thing grow and change, like the woman, like the plant. Number three, what is a young plant? What is the process of a young plant? It's seedling. Seedling. Next, we have to draw the missing pictures. We start as seeds. After seeds, what happen? The roots. Roots starts to grow underneath the soil. Roots. Next, we have the seedling, which is the young plant that starts to grow, and after it becomes young, it grows into what? An adult plant. Next, let's order the stages of the life cycle. First, a bean plant starts its life cycle as a seed. Next, seed gets water and air, it will begin to grow. The seed gets water and air and it will begin to grow. Then the stem grows up to make a seedling. The stem grows up to make a seedling, and then a bean plant grows bigger and becomes an adult. Last, the bean plant grows bigger and becomes an adult. Thank you.